All right, now we're on to the lesson sheet 111. If you haven't gone and done the lesson worksheet, go do that one first. All right, draw your 1 3/4 line segment, make it 1/4 longer, and then tell me how long it is now. So 1 3/4 plus 1/4. 1/4 plus 3/4 is 4/4, which makes it a whole nother inch. So make sure your line is 2 inches long. Serena babysits for 3 hours each Saturday morning. How many hours will Serena babysit in 4 weeks? So we have 4 weeks times 3 hours each week gives us 12 hours. 12 hours. Which lines are parallel? So parallel lines are never going to touch. If we look at W and Z, they're straight up and down, straight up and down. They're never going to cross. Because if you look at something like Y and X, if you keep going this way, it would collide with X if X would keep going. So those are not parallel. So W and Z. Perpendicular. Perpendicular line segments make a right angle. So if I were to take another piece of paper, it makes a perfect square corner. So let's look at what lines are perpendicular. If we look here, nope, that corner right here isn't going to work. But if I go down here, the intersection of W and X, those are perpendicular. If I take my little corner again, Z, not Z and Y, because those aren't a square. But if I keep going down, Z and X are a perfect square right in here. So Z and X. Or you can go X and Z if you would like. Carla was born in 1995. How old is she this year? To figure this out, we go 2020 minus 1995. 0 minus 5 I can't do, so I need to regroup. 10 minus 5 is 5. I need more in that column because 1 minus 9 doesn't work. So 1, we go 10, change it to 9. 11 minus 9 is 25. So they are 25 years old this year. Draw candies to find each answer. So we did something similar on this lesson worksheet page. Or 18. So you need to draw little circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Count in that half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Half of 18 is 9. 1/3 of 15. So we're going to split 15 into thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What's in one of those thirds? There are 5 in one of those thirds. So 1/3 of 15 equals 5. Which picture shows how 4 children will share 20 cookies? So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. That's too many. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably right, but we always check the last one, which has 2. So B is the correct one to share 20 cookies. How many cookies will each child have? So then we check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be careful on the first part. There are 4 in each group, but that's not the 4 children. There are 5 children. So this is the 4 children with 5 cookies. All right. Down here, 5 times 2 is 10. And then we add the 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 10,000. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 more zeros. Put the comma between the 2 and the 4. 800 minus 381. We can't do 0 minus, so we have to make this 7. We have to make that 9, so we can make that 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. 800 minus 381 is 419. Make sure on this one that you line up the 9 with the tens column and the 1 with the ones column. 8 minus 1 is 7. 36 minus 9, let's make this easier. 16 minus 9 is 7. 2 minus 0 is 2. 277.